Hello, Grade 5, and welcome to a new lesson from Unit 5. Did you have a good day? Lesson 6. Writing. Let's first review our lesson objectives. In today's lesson, we will use time words to show a sequence of events correctly. We will also read about a school day. And finally, we will write a paragraph about my school day using time words. We will start by reading about Anna's school trip. So please pause the video for 2 minutes and read. Last Tuesday, we went on a school trip to the water park in town. We got there at 9:30 a.m. First, we had our breakfast at the restaurant. Then, we stored our bags in the lockers. Next, we walked around to see the place. The park was very crowded. There are many pools and water slides. We rowed small boats and surfed the waves. Finally, we bought some ice creams and went back to school. The trip was fun, but it was too short. Look at the words in red. First, then, next, finally. What do we call them? Yes, you're right. We call them time words. Now, why do we use time words? We use time words to show the order to events, means to show the sequence of the events. What comes first, what comes next, what comes after, and so on. Okay, students, now I'm going to ask you to pause the video again and read and write the missing time words. Now you can check your answers. Good job! Guess what, students? We will read the text again and answer the following questions. Please pause the video for 10 minutes, then answer the following questions. Now please check your answers. Question 1. When did Anna go on a trip? Yes, you're right. Last Tuesday. Question 2. Where did she go? She went to the water park. Excellent. Question 3. Who did she go with? She went with her classmates. Good job, students. Question 4. What did they do there? First, they had their breakfast. Then, they stored their bags in the locker. Next, they rowed small boats and surfed the waves. Now we will learn to write sentences using time words. You should use the following order. Place the time word, followed by comma, a very close comma with no finger space. First, next, then, comma. After the comma and between time word and subject, there will be a finger space. Subject: I, you, we, they, Ahmed, Ali, Emel, or any other name. Subject. Finger space followed by verb. A verb in the past tense form. Past simple form. Remember, students, we've got two types of verbs. We've got the regular verbs and the irregular verbs. Regular verbs, the ones that do not change, such as collected, played. We only add the ed when it's in the past simple. Irregular verbs, when the verbs completely change, such as came, went, thought. Irregular verbs. Followed by object, the thing. Let's look at the following example. First, comma, a very close comma. Finger space, I, subject, finger space. Collected, verb, finger space, some shells, object. Another example with irregular verb. Then, comma, I swam, past tense, irregular, in the sea with my brother, object. Now it's your turn. Reorder the words to form a sentence. Check your answers. Well done! Finally, it's time to write our paragraphs. Write a paragraph about your school trip. In your paragraph, include where you went, where, when you went, when, who you went with, what you did there, first, then, next, and finally, time words, how you felt. Remember to check your paragraphs according to the checklist before submission. Use capital letters at the beginning of the sentences. Use a full stop at the end of the sentences. Use the correct tense, past simple. Use finger space between words. Check your spelling. Mention all your ideas. Good luck! You have 10 minutes to pause the video and write your paragraph. Thank you for completing your paragraph. breakfast on time. Now read with me my paragraph and check if I have included all the above mentioned points. Last month, I went on a camping trip with my classmates. The campsite was near the river. First, we set up the tent. Then, we collected some sticks to start a fire. It was so cold. Next, we placed sausages over the fire and cooked them for 20 minutes. I loved it. Finally, we took out our sleeping bag and fell asleep until the next day. It was wonderful. Goodbye, students. See you next lesson.